Hey YouTube, this your girl Miss Deanna J, back at it again with another tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I got this ponytail. Okay, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is comb my hair up into a ponytail, and I don't really care about it being super tight because I just want to kind of like lay down my edges in the front. And now I'm just gonna pull out some hair to do my baby hairs. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with some Eco Styling gel just to kind of, get my hair to lay down and have like that slick, shiny kind of look. Okay, so now I'm just gonna put my hair up into a bun just to kind of like, get that hair out of my way. That way I can lay down my baby hairs. Okay, so now that I'm done with my baby hairs, I'm just gonna wrap it up. That way, once I get done doing my hair, my baby hairs will be all laid down and nice and pretty. And I am using some pre-stretched hair, and I will leave this in the description box below, so make sure you guys go check that out. Okay, so this part is a little hard for me to explain in words, but I'm gonna try to explain it for y'all the best way I can. So I basically tied a knot at the tip of the hair. So I started the rubber band there, and I did this because I want the hair to be super long. So I kind of left enough hair out, that way like my hair, the braid will be super long. Okay, so now that I have my rubber band tied to the braiding hair, I'm just gonna take the rubber band and tie that onto my hair. And now I'm just gonna pull out some hair from the braiding hair. And I'm doing this because in the end, I'm gonna wrap it all around my hair. And you'll see how I do this later on in the video. So don't worry, I got y'all. Okay, so now that I have the braiding hair onto my head, so I'm gonna split up the hair into 3 pieces, as you see now. And I'm just gonna start braiding it down. you want to start off braiding it to the back and get it as far as you can go, and then bring it to the side. Okay, so I didn't like the length of the hair, so I just went in and added some more hair to the braid. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go in with the braiding hair that was left out, and I'm gonna wrap that around my hair tie. And I want to do this because I don't want that hair tie showing. So, you know, to make it look nice and neat, I'm just wrapping the hair around the braid. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take off my head rag and show you guys how it looks. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys like it, and if you guys did, make sure you subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and I will see you guys next time. Mwah.